Good morning, grade 1. Today we're going to learn about another kind of animals, which is the fish. The lesson objective is to identify fish and describe their needs and their features.
Hello. How are you, mateys? Not one is biting. Well, later I will continue because today I am going to talk to you about another group of vertebrate animals, fish. Fish are aquatic animals that can live in fresh water or salt water. They are oviparous, meaning they are born from eggs. They have fins to move around the water, and they have a tail at the end of their bodies, helping them to swim easily. As you can see, their bodies are covered in scales. Because they are aquatic animals, they breathe through their gills. They are cold-blooded animals, which means their body temperature varies depending on the water. And they have a simpler skeleton than other vertebrates. Did you know that there are fish like salmon and eel that travel all the way from areas of salt water to areas of fresh water? What a trip! And that is all about fish. Oh, I think I've got something. See you later.
Fish are animals, and animals are living things. Do you know where do fish live in? Yes, they live in water. Some fish live in the streams. Some fish live in rivers. They can live in lakes, ponds, and oceans. Fish are vertebrates, which means they have a backbone. Fish lay eggs. When these eggs hatch, new fish will grow and live in the water. What do fish need? Fish need food. Some fish eats another fish. And fish need air. They have gills instead of lungs to take in the oxygen in the water. How do fish move in the water? Excellent! Fish can swim. Do you know what is the body covering of the fish? Yes, fish have scales that cover their bodies. Let's name the parts of the fish body. The fish has a head with 2 eyes and a mouth. It has gills to breathe. It has fins and tail to swim. Fish have fins instead of legs. Some fish have little fins and some fish have big fins. Fish swing their tail fins back and forth, and they wave their other fins. This fish has little eyes, but this fish has big eyes. Some fish have small tails, and some have big tails. some fish have a small mouth and some fish have big mouth. Do you know that the largest fish is the great whale shark? And the smallest fish is the Philippine goby. It's time for the activity. This is your challenge activity, and this activity is optional. I want you to label the body parts of the fish. The parts are eye, mouth, tail, fin, and gill. Try to write the name of each part in its correct place. Success criteria. By the end of this lesson, hope you all are able now to identify fish and describe their needs and features. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye.